Hello there, Dustin over at Camping World in sunny Center Conway, New Hampshire. I got a request to do a walk around of the 2018 Starcraft Launch 27 BHU that we have on our lot right now. Starting off at the front, it does have their 30-pound LP tank, standard tongue lift, and then your spot for a couple batteries right behind there as always. The launch line was nice through Starcraft. They ran it in the late teens, fiberglass sided. It was a good middle of the road option that they offered. They did give you the magnetic door catches, slam latch doors, and a fully finished full pass through here too, which was nice. Z-Amp solar came equipped on it, so you could add a briefcase panel if that's something you're interested in. Full-size power awning on the coach. It spans, I think it's 15 foot. Don't quote me on that. I could be wrong. But power awning, they did add an LED strip underneath, so you got a little bit of outside light, outdoor speakers, and then on your door side, you have your 6-gallon water heater, along with some power on the outside, so you could plug some stuff in. This model had a door to the bathroom, so nice and easy to clean up. You're not sweeping your whole rig out. On the back side of the coach, you can see one of the bunks has its own window, and your spot for your Stinky Slinky. Can't forget that. Moving on down the line, you have an outdoor shower with hot and cold outdoor water connection, cable in, and you got a black tank flush. You do get a nice little storage area underneath this bottom bunk as well. It's nice that they allowed access from the outside, so you can maybe stuff some chairs down there, something of the sort. You do have your sewer out on the off-door side as well. And what's nice is they didn't put it under the slide out, which can be a pain to get to, but right next to it. It's in the middle of the coach too, so it should line up with where the sewer drains are in the campground fairly easily. Now let's head on inside. All right, as we get in, let's start off in the master here. So it looks like we got a queen size, actually almost looks like a king size. That is a huge mattress. Queen size frame, I would assume. 2 windows that actually open up so you can get some sort of cross breeze, as well as decent amount of space in the wardrobes. Same on the other side. Nice little reading light there, and a nice little nook for some goodies up top. On the wall, you do have a spot for a TV as well, in case you want to add one, and a nice little privacy curtain to keep the kiddos' eyes at bay. And into the living area, kind of a traditional bunk setup, but it feels nice and open in here. They give you a huge wraparound dinette. There is a little bit of scuffing on that contact paper, but it's a used camper. So, anyways, that'll drop down to a bed if you need the extra sleeping. You got the jackknife couch here, which I like the jackknife because you can get that little bit of extra storage underneath. And it still does drop down to a bed if you want the extra sleeping. Nice little entertainment center. Medium-sized TV can fit there. Decent amount of storage around the entertainment center too. Both of those open up as well. There's your radio that'll do the indoor and outdoor speakers. And that's right next to our kitchen area here, which start off by the door, has our tank monitoring and our water heater control, awning control, slide outs, and some interior lights. You're gonna have a 2-bay sink with hot and cold. I like that they put the outlet right there so you can actually plug something in with it. A couple full extension drawers here, and a nice little spot underneath the sink. A little bit more storage available. You got your high point 0.9 cubic foot microwave, range hood right underneath that, and our 3-burner cooktop. Nice little oven underneath. Looks like they never even used it. Have a Norcold gas and electric fridge here. And you can tell gas or electric just by looking at the back. If you see the fins there, you know it's a gas option for your fridge. Nice little freezer space. And storage-wise, I think they did well with this. You got a nice big pantry here, one more underneath, and then a wardrobe for the kiddos, or even more pantry storage. You got the best of both worlds. Now, before I get too much further, I want to look at the floor here. There was no heat registers through this floor at all. They used ducting through the cabinets and such. You can see one right there, which makes cleanup a lot easier. No more vents to vacuum out. Life is easy. You got our double bunk over the double bunk. We saw the storage underneath that bottom one already. Electric outlets, easy to get to. And both the top and bottom bunk have their own light. Onto the commode. Decent sized restroom in here. That door opens it up quite a bit. You have your toilet, which is nice and easy to get to. Plenty of leg room. You have your little sink area. A little bit of storage underneath there for some linens. And this is huge. That shower is giant for a camper. So I'm not a tiny boy or a tiny man by all. I got plenty of space here. Elbow room is insane. That's right. Look at this. It's crazy. So anyways, that's the 27 BHU. Hopefully it was a helpful video, and gosh, if I forgot anything, give me a yell. You can reach me at the dealership, 603-333-1520. Leave me a comment, too. Make sure you follow. I got all kinds of walkthrough videos, and I'm sure one of something you'll like. Thanks for watching.